timing cover. Once it goes on where it's supposed to be. And this is an odd one. Honestly, it's kind of hard to explain, but this is a 2018 Audi A3. It's got this e-tron 4-cylinder. So this thing was making this crazy noise. It was kind of like blah, 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 blah. And I had the customer turn it on, and when I came over here, I kind of hear the noise over here. So what I did was disconnect this, disconnect that one. There's a screw over here. You got to pull this thing out. I'll show you in a second. But what happened is this bolt for some reason had come loose. And you kind of tell where it's hitting the plastic. So when it's turning, it was tap, 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 hitting that plastic. And the plastic is kind of, it's brittle. So this was going clock, 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 clock. And I don't know if this was serviced and that's why it's off, or just, so I'm going to take this off, maybe put a little tap, Loctite on, and put it back on and check the other ones. Again, if you hear the weird little turn it on, and this was sometimes, because you could tell the bolt had just slowly made its way out. So you should hear it sometimes, wouldn't hear it sometimes, depending on where the bolt was. So this was up. All right, to get this thing off, so this right here, we're gonna pull this up, and then this slides, this whole piece slides out. Okay, we're gonna pull that off, get that out of the way. So you get to this bolt back here, loosen this one up. You're gonna take this top cover off and loosen that one up. I think they're both T30s. So loosen those two up, and then these ones also. So move these out of the way. So when this comes off and this gets loose, I actually took this off too. You kind of put a little sharp here and pop this off. And I squeeze this and pull this off. This is the evap line, so don't worry about spilling anything. Just comes off like this. So take that off. So like this, you'll have room to take this cover off, because you need to move this out of the way and move all these out of the way. And then you kind of take the cover off, kind of to the side and out, and then get to those bolts. Good luck.